Hey, hi there, Sagittarius. Welcome, and thank you for tuning into my channel to watch your weekly card reading for October 8th to the 13th. Remember, only take what resonates with you, and sometimes general energies meld into the other weeks, I hope you check out that description box below, and I would really love to hear feedback from you guys on how these readings apply to you and what you think. Thank you so much for inspiring me, because you guys really do. Okay, Sagittarius, off camera, to save time, I have meditated over, blessed, and shuffled these cards just for you. Your first card, it's the basis of the matter. It's the general atmosphere. It's the background. The Seven of Wands, which is fire energy. You're taking a stand and defending what matters. The Seven of Wands, Sagittarius. This is competition and business, but you do beat down all problems. It's the excitement of conflict, and you're ready to face challenges. You're defending what matters. You're facing up to the challenge, and yes, your determination will win. You do have the position of advantage. You're holding off your competition or enemies, and your hope is justified. Now the shoe is on the other foot. Now you're on the path to progress. You're learning skills to handle bigger tasks and different energy. This may be a chance to prove yourself, your finest hour. Tests may come. You're fighting for what you believe in, so have faith in yourself. Your second card, it's the energy crossing over your path. Number 21 of the Major Arcana in the Rider-Waite deck, the World. This is a completion. Something you began with the Fool, and now it's at the end. And you're going to have triumph and success. Number 21, the World. This is fulfillment of your hopes and dreams. It's a life-changing new beginning. You now have options. It's a new cycle. It could be travel. You do have support by unseen forces, and there's going to be success after a long trial. Your goal is achieved and recognition is likely. You have the ability to overcome problems and sorrow, and a move or a new relationship is going to prosper. This is knowing, not a mere believing. The divine is in all, and is all. This is engaging in life fully without despairing in its drama. And you've put your trust in where it belongs, a higher power. And now you will reap rewards. Your third card, and this is how it affects you. Number 11 of the Major Arcana in the Rider-Waite deck, Justice. This is balance. Number 11, Justice. This is also the card that stands for Libra. This is legal matters and karma, and justice will be done because balance is required, and lawsuits will be won. This is striving for truth and balance, and trusting divine order, and just being just. And yes, your hard work really does matter. This can be anyone involved with the legal profession, like a lawyer or a judge, even a witness, and sometimes it could even be police officers. A third party may come to your aid and help you get a fair outcome. And when other people are involved, consider their points of view because issues of fairness are of the utmost importance. There is an instinctive honesty that lies behind rational examination. So be cautious and prudent and careful, and rely on your inner self, because divine justice cuts through illusions and picks out the facts. And you do have the ability to tell right from wrong. And just a reminder to always keep your promises. Your fourth card, it's the future, it's the outcome, it's the results, or the advice. The Four of Swords, air energy. The Four of Swords, Sagittarius, rest, recuperation. Maybe you should get some meditating time in. This is healing and gathering up your strength. You're retreating to a quiet place to recoup from illness or work through a problem. You should take it easy. This is the stabilizing influence of the wands and the wounds that had been received in the Three of Swords. Maybe you should cancel your appointments and lay low and do some de-stressing and hang out that do not disturb sign. Maybe go on a vacation. You might need to seek an expert for advice. But you will be feeling peace, and you'll have some very much needed relief from stress. Your fifth card, it's the bottom of the deck card. It's the underlying issue. This is what's unseen. The Five of Wands, fire energy. The Five of Wands, Sagittarius. This is competition in social or career areas. There's new factors demand that you change and adapt. This is competition and competing forces without a clear winner as yet. But there is a new rush of energy coming in. Try not to indulge in petty hassles and annoyances. There may be some problems to solve, maybe some clashing of personalities. This is a struggle. You're building something. It comes with tests. You may feel some unrest. It comes with petty hassles and creative chaos. Remember, differences should be examined. It is from them that new ideas and interesting compromises emerge. Thank you so much, Sagittarius. Please leave me comments. It helps me tune your energy into future readings. Well, I hope your month is full of wonderful adventures. Now remember, what goes around comes around. So I'm keeping it positive. Love and light. Thank you, guys.